Welcome to our Trojan label T2-C tech support video on replacing the rubber nip roller. You may be asking, how do I know if I need to replace the rubber nip roller? The roller should be replaced when you see signs of wear. The media may start to slip through the nip and give registration errors. If you're noticing these types of issues, then it's time to replace the rubber nip roller. First, power off the printer by going to the Home tab and then Shut Down, and then shut down Trojan controller. After you've shut down the T2-C using the touchscreen, make sure to turn the power switch off on the left side of the T2-C. Remove the nip clamp lever by loosening the set screw located on the underside of the lever with a 2.5mm hex key, and then pull it away from the front cover. Remove the front, back, and left side of the engine covers. Use a looped zip tie around the springs on the left-hand side of the printer and pull up to remove. Remove the C-clip that holds the nip assembly in place at the screen side using a C-clip removal tool. Remove the C-clip that holds the nip assembly in place on the inside wall. Remove the pin on the screen side by pushing it out from the inside. Remove the pin on the inside wall by pushing it out only halfway so it doesn't fall inside the press. Then go to the back of the printer and take out the pin with your hand. Remove the rubber roller assembly frame by pulling it down from the left-hand side of the press. Remove the rubber roller shoulder screw. Loosen the protective safety guard screw. Remove the rubber roller shoulder screw. Then replace the rubber roller. Now you'll put the assembly frame together by following the reverse steps of what you just did. Insert the rubber roller shoulder screw. Insert the protective safety guard screw. Tighten the protective safety guard screw. Please note, do not over-tighten any of these screws on the assembly. Place on a flat surface and ensure that the form is correct. Ensure the rubber roller rotates freely. The rubber roller should also be able to move about 0.5mm sideways. This is to avoid burning the bearings. Install the rubber roller assembly back into the unit. Reinsert the assembly and make sure that the correct side is up. If the side is wrong, then the nip cannot open. Reinsert the assembly stud holders on the screen side first. Use a long screw or an Allen key to push the assembly stud holder from the back of the T2-C. Reinsert the C-clips. Ensure that the C-clips click into place and can move freely. Mount the springs again using the zip tie and ensure that the springs are placed in the groove. Install the front, back, and left side engine covers. Install the nip clamp lever and tighten the set screw located at the bottom of the lever with your hex key. And that's it! You've just finished replacing the rubber nip roller on your T2-C. For additional tech support tutorials, please visit our online playlist. If you have any questions, please contact tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com.